Hi, I'm Alan Kent, a developer advocate at Google specializing in e-commerce. In this series, I'm going to explore a number of common technical issues that can impact the effectiveness of your e-commerce website in Google search. While this series is technical in nature, you may find the content useful even if you're not that technical. My goal is to help you decide which technical areas are worth your team exploring further. What the series will not cover is advice for specific platforms. For example, I will not be recommending platforms to use as there are many great solutions on the market. Also, the diversity of solutions means I will focus more on identifying if your website has room for improvement rather than helping you fix it. Solutions are often platform specific, so any recommendations I give will be fairly generic. Each episode in this series will introduce an area where we have seen problems on e-commerce sites. For each problem, I will then describe the potential impact of the problem, show how to use tools to detect if your site suffers from the problem, and finally provide general recommendations where possible. Watching this series should help you understand the most common issues we have seen in Google search, enabling you to take action to get the most out of your e-commerce website. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to click subscribe.